So let's see one more time yesterday's last thing which I have explained, that is, suppose this is a orbit, yes, and here is suppose sun, and this is what planet is revolving. Okay, now this planet is moving in this orbit. Let us suppose it is moving with velocity. What is the velocity? V. And the distance of planet to the sun, average distance I am talking about, is how much? Let us suppose capital R. Now, yesterday in the link I have given this already. So here we are having centripetal force. Centripetal force is equal to gravitational force. And that's why, as this planet is having mass m and this is capital M, so centripetal force of this planet is mv square by r, and gravitational force is g m divided by r square. If we will cancel this m, if we will cancel this m and this m, what we are getting? V square is equal to g m by r, and therefore v is equal to, or just keep it as a v square only, so call this as equation number 1. Now after this we know speed is equal to distance by time. So total distance is how much here? 2 pi r divided by capital T, and therefore speed is v. V is equal to 2 pi r by T. So this v value I am going to substitute in this above equation. Therefore equation 1 becomes pi r by T whole square is equal to g m by r square. Yes, and that is what you are getting. 4 pi square r square by T square is equal to gm by r square. Now this is 4 pi square. यहाँ पे क्या किया है हमने, देखो ये तो gmr है ना. 1 minute, here it should be r only, right? Because v is gm by r now. So this should be r, not r square. Here it should not be the square. Okay? Yes. So now 4 pi square, this is r square, and this r I transferred here. Then this is gm into t square, and now this gm I am transferring here. So 4 pi square by gm into r cube is equal to t square, as this factor is constant. Okay, this is constant. So can I write like this? T square is directly proportional to r cube, है ना? है कि नहीं? Or else you can write like this also. T square is equal to constant into r cube, and therefore t square is directly proportional to r cube, or even you can write t square by r cube is always equal to constant. And that's why this Kepler's third law, it is saying that T square is diagonal proportional to R cube. That is square of time period of revolution of a planet is diagonal proportional to cube of average distance between sun and planet. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
1 minute.
Yes, finished.
1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
So finished everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So let's go to the next page. Now I'm giving you one table. So this is just about time period and semi-major axis and all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Wait, first see how much size table you have to make. Not much big, but small only. Only 3 columns you make. First column is for planet. Next column is for semi-major axis. Denoted by A, है ना? And third column is for time period. That is capital T. And this is in multiple of 10 power 10 meter. And this is in years. याद रखो. Okay. And now we'll make 9 in between. Like this table you can make. ठीक है? And see now first planet. First planet is Mercury. And this is 5.79 into 10 to the power 10 is there. Okay. Otherwise I will make one thing. ये आप यहाँ से निकाल दो, आप यहाँ पे लिख दो बेटर. 5.79 into 10 to the power 10 meter. ठीक है? Time period is 0.24 years. Next is Venus. This is 10.8 into 10 to the power 10 meter, and it is 0.615 years. Next one, Earth. Earth is having 15 into 10 to the power 10 meter semi-major axis, that is A, and its time period you know how much? 1 year, है ना? 365 days. इसके बाद है मार्स. मार्स के लिए 22.8 into 10 to the power 10 meter, एंड इसका टाइम पीरियड कितना है? 1.88 years. इसके बाद है जुपिटर, है ना? जुपिटर, एंड फॉर जुपिटर टाइम पीरियड इज 77.8 into 10 to the power 10 meter is the semi-major axis, and the time period for Jupiter is 11.9 years. इसके बाद है Saturn. Saturn is 143 into 10 to the power 10 meter, and इसको लगते हैं 29.5 years for one complete rotation. इसके बाद है Uranus. (287 into 10 to the power 10 meter, and इसको लगते हैं 84 years. इसके बाद है Neptune. इसको है 450 into 10 to the power 10 meter, and इसको लगते हैं 165 years for complete rotation. Last one is Pluto. इसको है 590 into 10 to the power 10 meter is the semi-major axis, and its time period is 248 years. तो 250 साल के बाद एक रोटेशन कंप्लीट होता है प्लूटो का. नेपच्यून का 165, यूरेनस का 84, सैटर्न का 29.5, जुपिटर का इतना, अर्थ का 1, मरकरी 0.24. 0.24 मतलब 3 महीने नियरली, है ना? नियरली 3 months. यस नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
हाँ, मर्क्यूरी बड़ा ही क्यूट नाम है और क्यूट प्लैनेट भी है ना? सबसे डरावना कौन सा लगता है आपको? शनि. यस.
Yes, sir.
Okay, make it fast. Yes, finished.
2 minutes.
Yes. अरे शनि से तो डरो रे, जल्दी करो. हाँ.
Completed.
Okay, sir.
हाँ. Why to scare Shani? Can anyone tell me? So many people are believing on that astrology.
So bad luck.
What is that bad luck and all? I am not understanding till now. Huh? Why that Saturn is only the bad planet or something like that? Huh? Situation will be very bad if Shani will be behind you. What is this? Why it will be behind you, yaar? It is rotating in its own orbit. Why it will go behind you? Huh? Yes. You just see if now where Shani is or the Saturn is where it is 143 into 10 to the power 10 meter away from, we can say, or orbit or whatever it is, but it is very long, right? From that much long, by traveling that much distance, why it will come behind you, you tell? Huh? Will it come?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It is really joke, you know. Okay, so let's move ahead. Jokes apart. So don't believe in astrology and don't see the future. Okay, and those who are watching that lines of your hands and all, that is all just fake. Okay, don't believe. This is my suggestion. Okay, because those who don't have hands, even they are creating their own future. So how the lines of hand can decide someone's future? Even exams cannot decide anyone's future. What is in the hand line? Isn't it right?
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Huh. So let's go to the next topic, and that is deduction. Deduction of Newton's law of gravitation from Kepler's laws. Anirudh. Anirudh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
ये पुराना
Yes,
अनिरुद्ध
sir.
है, नया अनिरुद्ध है, दो अनिरुद्ध है. अरे हाँ चलो. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now deduction of Newton's law of gravitation from Kepler's laws. How to deduce Newton's law of gravitation? In the lower classes you have learned this. If suppose two objects are there whose masses are capital M and small m and they are separated by distance d, then the force of attraction between that two objects is directly proportional to product of masses and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. ये आपने पढ़ा है ना? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to deduce this expression from Kepler's laws. So first of all, what I am writing, see, now as earlier we have learned, this sun is here and this planet is revolving planet, and this is suppose sun. Now this planet is revolving, so it is having centripetal force. And this is capital M, this is small m. Now centripetal force of planet is equal to what, ray? mv square by small r. I am taking r as the orbit radius. R is what here? R is orbit radius. Understood? Any doubt till here?
Understood.
Now, last time we have learned this, V is equal to R omega. So can I write like this? M by R into R omega whole square. Can I write like this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
M by R into R square omega square. This R will get cancelled with this, and we are getting centripetal force formula. What is that? mr omega square. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now we have one formula. Omega is equal to 2 pi by t. याद है?
Yes, sir.
Now I am substituting here. So this is mr 2 pi by t whole square is equal to f. है कि नहीं? तो ये आ जाएगा 4 pi square mr by t square is this is f. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, call this equation number 1. Sare. Now we know from Kepler's law t square is directly proportional to r cube. That implies t square is equal to k into r cube. कोई doubt? K is constant. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Sharayu?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. अखिलेश समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Shall I substitute this kr cube at the place of t square? Yes.
Yes.
So f is equal to 4 pi square mr divided by k into r cube. Sayana,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now this r and this cube will get cancelled. So what is left? 4 pi square m divided by k into r square. So yeah, so I am getting f is equal to 4 pi square by k into m by r square. Let's call this as equation number 2. अनिरुद्ध समझ में आ रहा है?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir. हाँ, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to the next page?
1 minute, sir.
Okay. If you have doubt, please ask. You can speak. Yes, no?
No doubt.
No
Anyone
doubt,
is
sir.
there who have not started yet speaking? Yes, from 2-3 years only you have started speaking, no? Yes? Sir, I can't speak 8 बोले तो बहुत difficult है फिर. Yes, finished.
Last one.
Yes, finished.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Completed.
Now, what we got equation f is equal to bolo 4 pi square by k into m by r
R
square.
by
So yeah, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, according to Newton, gravitational force between sun and planet is mutual. So therefore, if force is direct proportional to small m, that is planet, definitely this force should be directly proportional to the mass of the sun, hai ki nahi? And therefore the factor Therefore, the factor 4 pi square by k should be directly proportional to m, and therefore this 4 pi square by k is equal to g into m. Okay, g is what? Gravitational constant. Now let's substitute in this equation. Yes, no, this is equation number 2, no? Yes. So substituting in
Yes.
equation number 2, what we are getting, f is equal to substituting into f is equal to, at the place of this 4 pi square by k, what I should substitute? Gm, and therefore Gm into m by r square. This is what? Which is Newton's law of gravitation. Take it, which is Newton's law of gravity. Clear hai?
Clear.
Clear,
Clear,
sir.
sir.
Note down. Note down fast.
Completed, sir.
Okay, finished everyone?
Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Yes. Note down, no problem.
Done, sir.
So we will stop here for today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye. Enjoy the day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.